Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In this video, we will be learning how to change page orientation on Canva application. To change the page orientation from portrait to landscape or vice versa in Canva, follow these steps. Open your Canva application on your mobile device and log into your account. Now open up your existing design in Canva or create a new one. Remember that in order to resize your design, you will first need to be Canva Pro user. If you are not a Canva Pro user yet, you will need to be one first. Once you open up your design, go to the top of the screen and tap on the little three dots. Now, in the expanded menu, click on Resize. It will then ask you to get Canva Pro if you haven't already. Tap the Get Canva Pro button and follow through the instructions, and once you subscribe to Canva Pro, you can then resize, translate, transform into doc and much more on the selected project. To resize, tap the Resize option and you will then be able to change the page orientation for your selected project. To customize size for the project, tap the Custom Size option and then set the width to a larger number than the height. Whereas if you want a portrait orientation, you will then need to set the height to the larger number than the width. After entering your preferred dimension, you can then click on the Resize button. But that is only possible if you have subscribed to the premium version if you've subscribed to the pro version of Canva. That is how it's easily done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Tutorialify for more Canva tips and tricks. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.